Vinesh Phogat's remarkable journey into politics began with a pivotal meeting with Rahul Gandhi on September 4, 2024. This encounter fueled speculation about her entry into electoral politics as she prepared for the Haryana Assembly elections. Shortly after the meeting, Phogat officially joined the Congress party, leveraging her status as a celebrated wrestler and advocate for women's rights. Her debut in electoral politics culminated in a significant victory on October 8, 2024 when she won the Julana Assembly seat by a margin of over 6,000 votes, marking a historic moment as she became the first woman to be elected from that constituency. The election saw a voter turnout of 74.66%, reflecting high public engagement and support for her candidacy. Phogat's win not only broke a 19-year drought for the Congress in Julana, but also symbolized a broader challenge to the BJP's dominance in Haryana. Her victory was celebrated by fellow wrestler Bajrang Punia, who highlighted that this election was not just about a single seat, but a larger struggle against oppressive forces. Vinesh's entry into politics is seen as a continuation of her fight for justice, particularly after her high-profile protest against former Wrestling Federation of India chief Brij Bhushan Singh, who faced serious allegations of sexual harassment. The support she received from the Congress during these protests played a crucial role in her political transition. With her new role, Phogat aims to channel her popularity and advocacy into meaningful political change in Haryana, making her a figure to watch in the upcoming legislative landscape.